Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Once said from Scrollwell. On behalf of Scrollwell and IICGG, I welcome you all in this 14 days journey where we will be exploring how you can utilize technology for your day-to-day life. Okay. So this session, all 14 days will be totally practical. We will not be moving for any of the PPT. We will not be moving for any of the theoretical part. If you want to join along with me, like you want to practice it, you are most welcome for same. Every day we will be having a session of 1 hour in which first 45 minutes will be of content and rest of 15 minutes we will take for Q&A. Okay. This session will be totally interactive. It's not like a traditional one. Okay. Whenever you feel you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. It is based on we will be demonstrating our thought process. We will try to have a discussion, right? We will try to have a practice. We will try to have assignments, projects, test throughout this FDP. Okay. So before we start, few things I will be requesting is please make sure to join a Google Classroom. Please make sure to join a Google Classroom. Why I'm saying so? Just hold a second. I'm sharing my screen. Please let me know if you can see. Why to join a Google Classroom first? Why to join a Google Classroom? Whenever you will be joining, let's say this 14 days one, which we had in April, if you can see all the resources, whatever we have, like day-to-day schedule, all the AI tools which we will be discussing, assignments, add-ons, whatever we will discuss, resource and material, maybe PDF guide, PPTs, right? The session recording as well will be posted in a Google Classroom. Okay. So please make sure to join a Google Classroom. Those who are facing a issue with the personal, sorry, not a personal one, institutional email address, they can join using a Gmail account, the personal Gmail account. Okay, ji. Done? Any doubt till now? Any one of you before we start? Any one of you? Any doubt? Okay. Chalo ji. So again, we will have 3 or 4 minutes. Okay. Where anyone out of you can unmute and speak, like your name, your good name, what exactly you are expecting from this FDP. Any one of you, simply. You can unmute your name, your good name, sorry, your name, your institution name, and what exactly you are expecting from this FDP. Quickly. Then after we'll start. This FDP will be totally interactive. Feel free to interact.
Hello, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Ji.
Myself Subhashni. We are from Millennium National School, Pune. And I hope this FTP program will be very useful when we are conducting their classes.
Done, ji, for sure.
Sir, I am Dr. G.S. Shaileshri from Bangalore, Mount Carmel College.
Hi, ma'am.
Psychology. Hello, sir. I would like to, I am attending mainly because it's very interesting topics and assignments. So hope all your recordings, which as you said, will be on the Google platform, will help us to use technology in some way or the other in our classrooms.
Done. Ji. Anyone else?
I'm Clara from Oman.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Looking forward for beautiful, beautiful and nice topics, sir.
Thanks a lot, ji.
God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Anyone else?
Hello, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
I'm very much interested to join your class. I'm from Wardha, Bapuro Deshmukh Engineering College. I am faculty in that college.
And what exactly you are expecting, ma'am, from this FDP?
Actually, I want some extra for my students.
Okay.
Whatever I am learned from your class, then absolutely
to
I
implement.
try to give them.
Done, ji, done. For sure, you will be having few new things in a bucket. Anyone else?
Okay.
Any one of you? Feel free to interact. Whatever comes your mind, you can share your thoughts. Any one of you, your name, good name, and expectation from this FDP.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ji.
My name is Dr. Bhagyalakshmi. I am from Kochi, Kerala.
Hi,
And
ma'am.
recently we have done a major revamping of all our courses. So ours is a autonomous program, a PGDM, postgraduate diploma in management. So we have introduced a lot of experiential sessions, and we are trying out various pedagogical initiatives, to bring in the class more effective.
Done,
So
ji,
looking
done.
forward to some great techniques which will draw attention of the students and enhance the learning.
For sure. Done. Anyone
Best
else?
wishes, sir.
Thanks a lot, ji. Hi, sir. I have already attended your workshop. Now looking for some AI tools in teaching, learning. I am Dr. from SRM College of Agriculture Science from Tamil Nadu. For sure, ji, you will be having not only few, a majority of tools, like at least 50 tools we will be discussing throughout this FDP. Okay, which will be helpful for you. Anyone else? Chalo ji. Thanks a lot once again. I welcome you all in this 14 days program. The session time will be same for each and every day. The link which I have shared you today, the Zoom one, it will be same for each and every day. Recording and resources will be uploaded in a Google Classroom. So please make sure to join a Google Classroom. Okay, it is compulsory. Without Google Classroom, you will not be able to enjoy any of the resource. Okay, so before we start, few things about us, what exactly we are doing, how we are doing, from when we are doing. So in this pandemic, May 2020, we started our journey as a Scrollwell with a blog. Then we started it as a teacher training platform where we used to train teachers in a digital literacy. Okay, till December 2022, we have covered 36,000 of teachers across India. Till now, it is 41K teachers. Okay. I am Roshan, founder of Scrollwell, working behind this from last 3 years. Again, 41K teachers, 3,600 institutions across India. I'm a Google certified educator. My specialization is digital marketing and all these MS Office tools like PowerPoint, Excel, and this one, Word and all. Okay. Throughout the session, I will request you all to be on a mute to avoid the interruptions. Also, I am MBA from NIT Jalandhar, followed by Bachelor's in Automobile Engineering. I started my journey in May 2020. First session we conducted in a June. Till December, it's August, right? Till December, 3.5 million views. Right now, it is 4.1 million views. Having a 4.1K teachers, 87 sessions across India. What you will have from here is detailed explanation of each and every topic, recordings with the HD quality of video, practice test, and the projects you will be having. Lifetime access of all the resources you will have. We are not going to delete any of the Google Classroom or any of the video, whatever you have. Okay, it will be permanent with you, 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 permanent. These are few of our previous collaborations which we had earlier. These are few of our courses. You can look into it. Also, you can follow our website for same. This is a reach across India which we have achieved, followed by testimonials. And these are few of the institutions from where our teachers are. The Scrollwell alumni follows these institutions covering 3.6K colleges across India. So as I can see, few of you are from SRM today itself, right? So we have covered across India throughout this 3 years. Done ji? So let us start with the session today. Again, before starting with the session today, anyone having any doubt, anything, any one of you, feel free to ask. This session will be totally experiment based, means we will be demonstrating each and everything practically. Okay. So this is a website. You can follow your program schedule over here from a brochure. If you can see this brochure, in a last page of brochure, second last page of a brochure, you will be having a day-to-day schedule, whatever we are going to cover on a what date. Okay, there will be a little bit modification in this. If you can see, on a Monday there is a holiday, it will be migrated over here. On a Sunday we will have, again same for the next, 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 for the next. We will have today. We'll start with a Google form. So just hold. Let us discuss what are the tools which we are going to cover first. Downloads. This one. So we will be covering few tools related to forms. Like it will be a Google Forms, how to conduct a test, then Google Classroom, how to avoid cheating in a test, right? Google Meet for video conferencing, Zoom video conferencing. Then we will be proceeding for MS Word, where we will be discovering like how to create a report card, bulk certificates, how you can make a brochure for any of the FDP or any of the program, then how you can proceed for research in a Word, what are the tools and techniques which are available over the internet for same purpose. Then we will cover Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, then how you can utilize AI for your presentation designing, Canva for designing. In the last, we will be moving with the Excel from basic to advanced, where we will be learning about pivot tables, how you can utilize it in your day-to-day life, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, okay. Dashboard building, report building, certificate making, where the automatic certificate will be sent to the participant, how you can do this. This will be a crunch, overall crunch of this session, this 14 days journey. Okay, so as you know, today's topic is all about forms. Okay, where I will be demonstrating today how to utilize Google Form for your teaching purpose. Okay, and in tomorrow's session, we will try to identify how you can avoid cheating, like how you can eliminate a cheating part in a Google Form for your students. So can we start quickly? You can say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Chalo ji, done. So let us start with the session today. There is a possibility you will be knowing many things about a Google Form. Okay. But for sure, by the end of a day, by the end of each and every day, you will be having something new in your bucket. In end of today's program, I will be posting one Google Form, which will have a test for your this particular FDP. We will be conducting two tests. First one is today, pre-FDP test, just to understand the phase of a students, those who have joined this FDP, just to understand the level of faculty, the level of participants, the level of technology they know, so I can mold my 14 days accordingly. Okay, so I will be posting a pre-FDP test today. Fine, it is already there in a Google Classroom. If you can see that, you have to fill before a deadline. Chalo. So let us start with the session today. I'm sharing my whiteboard. Please let me know if you can see whiteboard.
Sir, it's not allowing us to join the classroom, Google Classroom.
Use your personal email account, ma'am, Gmail one. Don't use your institutional email.
Okay.
Someone is saying voice is echoing. Any one of you who can confirm whether voice is fine or not?
No, you're clear. You're clear.
Clear. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt. Sometimes it's echoing. And
Okay.
you have sent a Zoom link only, sir. How can I join through Google Classroom?
It's there in a same email, ma'am. In a same email, you have a Google Classroom link and a WhatsApp link. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Roshan, one more clarity required.
Please.
Could you please share me the Google Classroom class code? I'm trying to join from my personal ID, but then
just
it's
hold, I
asking
will
for
be sharing here only. Okay. Let me
All
screen
right.
share and you can take a snapshot.
Thank you.
So this one is not this one.
Sir, 1 second.
Hmm.
While registering, we have used the school account,
Hmm.
and for the classroom, we are using Gmail account.
No
So
issue,
it doesn't
ma'am.
matter, right? For getting a
Doesn't matter. This classroom is for your resources, right?
Okay, sir. No issues. Just I want to confirm that.
So this is a class code. Ji.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Even I'm copy pasting it in a Zoom chat for your reference.
Yes.
Just hold. Yes, it's already there. Even a class code I'm pasting. Done. Okay, ji. So can we start now? Chalo.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please. Thank you.
Sharing my whiteboard quickly. So whenever the topic, whenever a term Google Forms come in your mind, what are the things which you can correlate? Any one of you who can speak? Whenever I say Google Form, what comes in your mind?
Analysis.
Analysis,
Then questioning.
Q&A,
Yeah.
Types of questions, questionnaire.
type of questionnaire,
Quiz.
quiz,
Tool for assessment.
assessment,
Data collection.
data collection,
It can be used as a tool for
Feedback.
data analysis and data collection.
correct. What else?
To get the feedback as well.
Feedback. What else?
One variety of types of questions we can give.
Type of question here itself. It is mentioned. What else? Quickly.
Survey questions.
Survey. Okay. Chalo. Let us make it more short. Okay. Database, someone is saying. If I will assign a single word, can I say it is a platform which I can use for a data collection? Whatever we have written over here, analysis, Q&A, type of question, quiz, assessment, data collection, feedback, survey, database, everything belongs to a type of data. Use case is different, right? Like I am using for a data collection, maybe you are using it for a feedback. Now feedback is again a type of data, correct? So can I say Google Form is something which will help me out for a data collection?
Yeah, yes.
With few features like auto evaluation feature, right? Where I can convert the same data into a quiz. Also, I can go for a graph chart. Clear? Now, where this data will be stored, any one of you? If you are using a Google Form, where this data will be stored?
It's in the drive.
In the
Google.
drive.
Very correct. And which platform it will use? Like where you will be getting your data?
Excel.
Excel. And what we say in terms of Google? Sheet. Excel is for MS one, Microsoft one. Sheets is for Google one.
Google Sheet.
Okay, ji.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt till now?
No.
Chalo. Let us start how to proceed with the Google Forms. Just hold. Right now it is 6:55. Okay. So today we will be covering the basics of Google Form. Tomorrow we are going to cover advanced level of a Google Form, like how to integrate mathematical equations, how to go for avoiding a cheating, what are the advanced features which we can have in a Google Form. This we will be covering tomorrow. Type of questionnaire, how to use Google Form, what are the things which we can do using a Google Form, we will be discussing today. Now, how to start with the Google Forms quickly. Jaldi.
Go to that waffle, 9 dots.
9 dots.
Click on the forms.
Click on the forms. First step. Second step, search it in a
Yeah. Otherwise, forms.google.com.
google.com or simply search it in a Google. 3 steps you can follow. Even you can go from a Drive. Go to
Yes.
Drive and there you have a create new Google form option. Chalo. So I will be creating a form from here. This is a dashboard which I have whenever I proceed for a Google form. Right. This is a dashboard which I have whenever I proceed for a Google form. First thing is either I can go for a blank template, right? Either I can go for a blank template or I can select from a template gallery. If you feel any of the template which can help you out where you want a event registration, you can use this one. You want something related to assessment of a course, you can go for this one. Course evaluation is also here. Any of the template you can use depending on your use case. So right now I will be starting with a blank one only and I will try to create a quiz. Done ji? Any topic, any suggestion related to quiz? Quickly. Jaldi jaldi. Any topic, any suggestion? What topic I can take? Any suggestion, any topic? Okay, Dr. Amit Bajaj have written, if you want to create a new form, okay, you can go for forms.new. This is one of the excellent thing to learn, a kind of shortcut. If you will type forms.new, I'm not confirm about forms, but let me try. Forms .new. What it will do, it will create a blank form for you. See, no need to follow any of the step. No need to go for a 9 dots. No need to go for any of the Google search, nothing. Simply type what you have to type. Forms.new. Done. Clear? What if I want to create a new slide? Slides.new. Blank presentation is there. I want Excel. Sheets.new. New Excel will be there. I want doc. Docs.new. New doc file will be there. Is it clear? When you know you need a blank document, you can follow these shortcuts. Any doubt? Any one of you? Done. Simply you have to type it in a search bar. Chalo ji. Someone is saying any general topic you can take. Mathematics, chemistry, computer science. Chalo, what we will do is let us proceed with a general topic which is related to GK. Okay, GK of India. Now, because everyone can correlate with it, right? This one is title of your form. From here, you can make it star. All the questions will be in this tab. All the answers will be in this tab. Settings you can do from here. Add-ons, this we will be going to cover in tomorrow's session. Designing you can do from here. As a viewer, how your form will look like, how it will look like, you can go for it. Undo, redo. Sending your form from here. Additional settings from here. Add a new question. Add import question. What import means? Any one of you quickly? Import. Quickly.
Copying from some other place.
Very correct. If you already have a form A, this one is form B. You want any question from a form A, then you will use import option. Okay. This questionnaire will be transferred to form B. Subtitle if you want to add, image if you want to add, video if you want to add, sections if you want to create. Sections we will be doing in a tomorrow's session. Okay ji. So let us start quickly. Our topic is GK. Right. India. There is one famous book which is India since
Independence.
By Vipin Chandra or Ramchandra Guha?
Goha. Ramchandra Goha.
as India since SINC independence. Okay. Now this is my title of quiz. Okay. Done. Here I can have a description. Now description can be anything. Can we use AI over here to develop a questionnaire and a description? Which AI tool we can use? Any one of you? Anyone?
Chat GPT.
Chat GPT. Feel free to interact, feel free to interact, and feel free to interact. This FDP is totally for you. Okay, ji. Chat GPT or a Google Bird. How many of you are not aware of Chat GPT or Google Bird? Quickly. Those who are not aware, please let me know. Everyone is aware out of it?
Yeah, Google Bard, I'm not aware.
Okay, very similar platform to
Me too,
ChatGPT.
sir. Me too, sir.
I will request you all those who are playing a recording in a background, they can be on a mute because there will be a echo due to same reason. Okay. So Google Bird is very similar platform to ChatGPT. Okay. It is from a Google. That's it. Nothing else. Rest it is similar. Right. Now how to utilize this Google Bird or any of the AI platform for your questionnaire. Now I know my quiz topic is India since independence. Okay, what I will write over here, whatever dictation you want, whatever content you want from a Google Bird or a Chat GPT, the thing which matters the most is prompt. What exactly you are writing. Now, what you want, I want a quiz. Okay, how much marks I want? Any one of you, quickly. Let's say 100 marks quiz. How many questions I want? 10 questions. What will be the format? Let's say multiple choice, right? Also, what I want, correct answers, right? Topic is India since independence. Done. So what I will write, create quiz in MCQ. Format is MCQ based. Number of question is 10. Maximum marks is 100. Topic is India since independence. Right. Give correct options as well. That's it. Create a quiz in MCQ based, comma, it should be. Number of question is 10, maximum marks is 100, topic is India since independence, give a correct options as well. That's it. See, my questionnaire is ready. Answer is also the number of questions are 10, total marks is this. Now, in a description, what I can add? I can add a guideline, right? I can say give guidelines for test as well. GUIDE. Just hold a second. Just hold. Sorry for this disturbance. Right. So what I was saying, can you prepare a guideline for a student? So what I will do, I will copy this and paste it here. Is it clear how to utilize a Google Bot for a questionnaire development? Any one of you? Quickly. Few options we have over here. First one is, what first one will do? This one. What it will do? It will make a content bold. How? Let's say Here what I want, I will say guidelines. I will make it bold. Done. Italic, underline. This one is insert link. It is also known as hyperlink. Any one of you what hyperlink is?
It
Quickly.
will
what
direct to the other page where we can give the additional information. sir.
information? It can be any of the website. It can be guidelines. It can be your university portal, right? Let's say I want to give a link to Google Word only. What I will do, I will copy this link, right? bird.google.com, Control+C, and where I want to add, let's say I will add here only web link. Okay, web link I have written. I will select this much. Control+K, K for kite, right? Control+K is a shortcut and paste it. Okay. Now, whenever someone will click on a web link, they will be redirected to bird.google.com. Clear? Any doubt? Done? Either you can go for Control+K or you can click over here. So this one is about adding a bullets. Bullets are already there, right? Any format you want, 2 formats you can go for. Right now it is this one. I can go for numerical one as well. Now remove formatting. Any one of you, what is remove formatting? I will explain you this one using a MS Word. Any one of you, quickly remove formatting. Either I can use a MS Word or I can use a Gmail one. Yes, what is remove formatting? Let's say you are searching anything. Any university name can you suggest? Any college name? Quickly. Jaldi.
Delhi University.
Sorry?
Delhi University.
Delhi University. DU. Okay. I have searched it. Now what I will do, I need Delhi University. DU. Just hold. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So what I will do, I will copy this content. I will paste it in a Word. Let me change the background first. Okay, I'm pasting it. Now, what is the issue over here? My Chrome was having a format, right? White format, white background. Yes or no? The same background is here or not? Clear? What it means, the formatting is also copied. Now, if I want to remove this formatting, then what I will do, I will select my content. I will go to home. I will go for no spacing. Can you see this no spacing one? No spacing, formatting is removed, right? Similar way, if you want to remove a formatting in a Google Forms or a Google softwares, then what feature you will use? You will use the last feature, this one. Okay, ji? Any doubt? See, earlier we were having a bullet points, right? I have removed the formatting. It is converted into a simple text, right? Any doubt? Quickly. No doubts? Chalo. So this we will do while settings, how to enable this email over here automatically. Okay. The first thing which we will do is we will go to settings and we will make it quiz first. Okay. Make it quiz first because we are creating a question. Second section will be my quiz. What I need in a data of students, quickly. Like name, roll number, what else? Email. Anything else? Phone. Like basic detail of a students, I will be asking data of data of students. The questionnaire which I have developed through a Google form, I will be using for quiz. Done. So let me add a first question, which is name. Okay. What will be preferred type? Short answer type. From here, you can duplicate, you can delete, you can make it required. What make it required means without filling it, you will not be able to move. If you are going for this one, 3-dot menu, then what you can have? You can have a description as well. Description can be enter your full name. Right, like this. Done. Let me duplicate it. What else I need roll number. Now, what is the format of roll number? Any one of you? Quickly. Same, I will go for phone number. What is the format of roll number?
Numerals.
Numerical one, right? Numerous. Few of the universities have alphanumerical as well. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can I have a validation over here for same? So what I know, phone number
Can
will
be alphanumeric also.
it can be alphanumerical, right? So let us start with the phone number one. What I want numbers only over here, nothing like alphabetical, right? Go to this response validation, numbers. That's it. Nothing else you have to do. Numbers. Here I want alphanumerical. Now, can I define any of the format? For example, SW, okay, 2022, okay, and next is 001. SW represents Scrollwell, 2022 represents year of admission, and 001 is a roll number. Clear? This can be a format, right? Depending on a university. How to add this format in a validation? Go to this response validation. What it is? Text contains what format it will contain? SW 2022. Is it clear? I am not mentioning 001 over here. Why? Any one of you? I will mention only SW2022.
That's unique for a student.
Very correct.
Roll
This one
number.
is same for each and every student, and 001 will be reciprocating, right? Done. Any doubt till now? Quickly. Any doubt? Let us try this. Here I will be entering my email, roshan@scrollwell.com. Right. My name. I will try with some other pattern. Let's say ST. Hope audio is fine, right? ST 2022001. Clear? Right? If you can see, error is there, right? Only this pattern is accepted. If I will keep 001 or maybe 100 or maybe 1000, it will accept. Clear, ji? Here also only numbers are allowed. If I will go for alpha 1, it will not be accepted. If I will go for a phone number, it is there. Done. Clear? Any doubt till now? See, this hyperlink is working, bot.google.com, and description is there. Can we move next? Okay, so I have not added answer key over here, right? Why? I have not added answer key over here. Why?
Questions have the answer
It is
there.
not MCQ. Supply type questions are there, that is why.
Okay. So answer key depends on a few things. First thing is either I want to evaluate it or not, right? Number, roll number, phone number, email, I'm not going to evaluate. Second thing is type of question. Few type of questions we are not able to evaluate in a Google form. Which are they? If you are going for a paragraph, will you be able to evaluate it automatically? No. Just for example, let's say you are asking a student write an essay on a my friend. Okay. Now name for best friend will be different for each and everyone, right? And everyone is correct in their own way. That's why paragraph is something which we will not be able to evaluate. Same goes with file upload. Same goes with date. Same goes with time. Clear? In few cases, you will be not be able to evaluate linear scale as well in few cases. Done? So these are the things which you will not be able to evaluate automatically. Rest of the things, this, and this, you will be able to evaluate very easily. But in a short answer type, there is one issue. What issue it is? Just hold. What issue is there? So let us add questions over here. Okay, can I add? Let's say, what I will say is any question which have a answer in a numbers, anyone, single digit number, any question which have an answer in a numbers?
Age.
Age. Okay, and let's say student belongs to any age, doesn't matter. Let's say, okay, and you know the correct answer. As a teacher, you know the student belongs to age group which is 9 year, 10 year. So from here you will add answer key. In this one, what I will do, I will enter 10. What if students write like this? What if students write like this? What if student writes like this? What if student write like this? Is it clear? If you want to evaluate short answer type, then you will need to enter each and every possible answer what can be. Maybe it can be related to uppercase, lowercase, you will need to mention it. Is it clear? All the options are correct, right? In this case, yes or no? Hope it is clear. And from here, you will be assigning a marks, let's say 2 marks. Done? Easy? Any doubt in this? Let me come back to Google Bird. Yes, please. Any doubt, anything?
Yes, can you please do it again?
Yes, what I'm saying, hope it is clear. When I know answer can be written in a different formats, right? 10 can be written in a numerical one or alphabetical one. Then if you are using a short answer type, then each and every possible answer you will need to enter over here in a correct answer.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Here you have to keep in mind the uppercase, lowercase, everything you have to keep in mind. Alphabetical, numerical, right? Like this. Like if I will go for 9, someone can write 9 like this, someone can write 09 as well, right? 09. Yes or no? Someone can go for this one, alphabetical one. Done? Like this. You have to keep in mind. Let us add a first question quickly from here. So my questionnaire is related to who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the, okay, first Prime Minister. Got it. This is my question. How to add options over here? Simply select it, come to your form, paste it here. Okay, ji. Which one is correct? Go to answer key. select first one because first one is correct. Assign marks, done. Can you see add answer feedback? Add a answer feedback. If you will add this, for both cases you can add. Either it is correct, the answer is correct or incorrect. If student have entered an incorrect answer, then I can say refer. Okay, I can say wrong answer. Okay, refer this video for your knowledge, and the link of video I can add directly from a YouTube. I can add first PM of India. I feel this one is a good video for a student. I will add it. Is it clear? If the answer is wrong, refer this video. If the answer is correct, well done. Danji, any doubt? The feedback will be given automatically along with the marks. Done? Okay. My question type is multiple choice. Let me duplicate it. I will change a question format to checkbox. Let me duplicate it. I will change a question format to drop down. Okay, let me refresh this form. As a viewer, can you see? First one is MCQ type. Second one is checkbox. Third one is drop down. All three have the same options, right? What is the difference between first and second?
You can select multiple options in second one.
Correct. More than one I can select, right? Now, what is the difference between first and third? First and third is quite same, right? Because only one option I can select in both of the cases. Either it is a MCQ, either it is a drop down, right? Now my next question, if I say which one you will prefer, MCQ or a drop down, what will be your answer? When I know the use case is same, right? In both of the formats, I will be able to select only one option only. Then which one you will prefer?
MCQ.
MCQ. Okay, why?
All the answers are seen there.
Seen there. Okay, now depending on a use case, my answer will be I will prefer a drop down. Why? Just hold. I'm drawing one box. First box, second box. What is the difference between both boxes? The space occupied by a particular box is more in case of MCQ, right? When you know the options are more than 10, 20, list of states, 100 roll numbers, then always prefer drop down. Why? The length of form will be same. Is it clear? When you know the options are less, 4 or 5, go for MCQ. Clear?
Yes.
Fine. Chalo ji. So this one is MCQ. Now, just for, let me modify this question. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Right? This is a question. Let me modify it. Who was the Prime Minister of India? Right? Who is, or I will say identify this personality. This can be possible question. Now what I need in this case, if I have to identify, how I will be identifying? Through any of the source.
Picture.
Source can be picture, right? How to add it? Can you see this image? Option, go to this. From where you can go for, you can upload, you can capture a picture, you can add a link, you can go to your photos, your drive, or Google search. I will go to Google Images directly. I will search for Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru. This image I want. I will insert it. Any doubt? Any one of you?
Sir, I have some doubt. Can I
Hanji,
ask now?
please, please.
Okay, I have posted in chat also that like if I
Ma'am, I am unable to hear you. I think you are on a mute. See, is it clear? Identify this person. Out of options, the student can select. Any doubt in this? Yes, ma'am, please. I am unable to hear you. I think you are on a mute.
yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, just a minute.
Yes.
Yes, I have posted my query in chat box. You can read from there also. Otherwise,
I'm not
I
able to
speak.
unmute. Kindly reply to my query posted. Sir, how can I restrict number of characters in answer? Okay, got it. This is your query, ma'am, right?
And there is one more. I'll ask later on. You may answer first.
Response validation I will add. Okay, let's say type. Can you see this length option? Maximum
Yes.
character counts, minimum
Okay,
character
okay,
counts. Okay,
okay.
let's say I will go for 10. Then if I'm going for more than 10, it will not be accepting this.
Okay. Like
Okay.
sometime phone number, because phone number is only
Correct.
10 characters. It is
Very
of 10
correct.
characters. So it should give us the error message that you have
Very
typed.
correct.
Oh,
Very
all
correct.
right.
And
Another
use-
problem is, sir, like it is from my personal experience. Like
Hmm.
I shared a quiz with my students and I created one question with the checkbox options.
Hmm.
Okay. In that option, there were 4 options. 3 are some, with the content, and the 4th option is like all of the above. Okay. The correct answer was all of the above.
Hmm.
Okay. But some students take all the options.
Hmm.
All right. All the options, and then it did not give them the points.
Very correct.
Yeah,
What I
so
have written
student says,
over a
ma'am, I selected or check in all the boxes that all the options are correct, but this did not give me the point. It gives me 0 point because
Very
all of the
correct.
above, the 4th option was correct.
Very correct. I have written over a screen, partial grading is not available in a Google form. What it
Acha.
means, for example, the question is select the name of Prime Minister of India out of 4. Okay. For example, first one and last one belongs to a PM category. These two doesn't belongs to PM category. Okay. Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru and Vallabhbhai Patel. Done.
Okay.
If student is selecting Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Patel, 0 marks will be awarded. Only correct combination need to be selected, else nothing will be awarded. Let's say 2 marks are there, right? I know Jawaharlal Nehru is correct. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is wrong. So what it means, 1 mark at least should be there, right? To a student, but no, 0 will be awarded. Partial grading is not available in a Google form. Then ma'am, that's why they are rewarded with a 0 marks.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
ji.
Okay.
Okay. Now, here what we did, adding an image in a question. Can we add an image in options as well? Let's say how we can go for question can be identify logo of anything. Let's say Zoom video conferencing, right? Identify logo of a Zoom video conferencing. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. 4 options I will be giving. Can you see an image option over here? Right? Earlier we have added an image from here. Now I will proceed for this one. Click on this. Okay. I want to add multiple options. So first I will search for Zoom. This one is done. First option added. Let me add a second one, which will be Meet. Just hold from here. Google Meet. Is it clear? Yes or no? Similarly, you can add Two more options. Teams. MS Teams, right? Clear? By this method, what you can do, you can add a image in our options and a questions as well. And both of the patterns you can add. Is it clear? Yes or no? Now student can select this one is correct. Teacher can assign first one is correct. Clear ji? Any doubt? Any one of you? Quickly. No? Chalo. Drop down we did file upload any of the file if you want to ask. Let's say any of the PDF file you want, you can ask it over here. You can say submit your assignment. Even you can specify the type of file which you want. Even you can specify what is the number of file which you want. Like say 5 assignments you can upload in a single go. Also you can specify what will be the maximum possible size which student can upload. Let's say 10 MB of a file or maybe 100 MB of a file. From here you can select, right? What size they can upload, what number of files they can upload, specific file type. I want PDF only, I can select. If someone is trying to upload a sheet, maybe a drawing, maybe an image, it will not be accepted. Clear? So like this, you can ask for a file upload. Done ji. Let me delete this. Now, next type is linear scale. For example, I will ask rate this FDP. It will be a linear scale 1 out of 10, out of 5 you can rate, where 1 represents poor, 5 represents excellent. Done. Is it clear? Yes or no? Chalo. Let me move to next question. Before moving to next question, can you ask a question which is match the columns? Any one of you? Match the columns. Let's say here is a list, here is a list, you have to match. Anyone match the columns? Can I ask it in a Google Forms?
Yes, sir.
Using which option, ma'am?
Grid.
Grid, very correct. So we'll take a grid option over here, multiple choice grid. I will say match, MATCH, correct one. Okay. Let us take a common example. Okay. What example I can take? I can take a reference of automobile industry. Okay. What you can do, you can give me a name of your favorite car and their company. Okay, first we will move to a company's name. Any one of you, your favorite company name, automobile one. Quickly. Company, Tata is there. Toyota is there. Mercedes Benz is there.
BMW
is there.
Corolla
is a car or brand?
car.
It's not a brand.
I don't know.
Honda.
Nissan, Honda, yes.
Nissan. Chalo, let us come to a next part. Okay, we'll not go in a series. Any brand name you can pick and just give me a name of their products in a random order. Okay, random order. Kia is a company name. I want a product name. So let's say Kia I will take, and car name is Seltos. Okay, Kia Seltos. Any other product of these companies? Quickly. 735. Oh, quickly, jaldi. Tata Nano. Okay. BMW, let's say i7 is right. Honda City. Nissan Trano is there, right? Nissan Trano. Kia Seltos already. Toyota Fortuner, or any one more company is left. Mercedes-Benz, let's say E-Class or any of the class. Done. Now, answer key for Tata, which one is correct? Nano, Toyota, Fortuner, Mercedes-Benz, E-Class, BMW, i7, Honda City, Nissan Trano, Kia Seltos. Okay. Done. 1 mark each I will assign. Is it clear? Done ji? Hope it is clear how it will look to a student. The option name is multiple choice grid. They can select yes or no. Let me duplicate the same question and I will change the format. Tick box grid. Same question having a different format. What is the difference between both? The first one and the second one. Here
Second
the
one, you
student-
can use multiple answers.
Very correct. The possibilities, Nano is also of a Tata. Let's say E-Class is also of Tata. Then student will be selecting this and this. More than one option. More than one option. Plus one will be this one. What is the format? Checkbox grid. This one is MCQ grid. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt, any one of you?
No, sir.
Chalo, Toyota Innova, I can see now. Again, plus icon. Date, if you want to ask any kind of date, it can be date of birth. Time you can ask, it can be any type of time. Okay. Quickly, we will cover two more things. Up to this, up to age, it is a student data, right? After this, what is this form belongs to? Quiz. So I can add a subtitle from here. Third option, I will say quiz part. Let us refresh and see what the difference is. Clear? Student data, quiz part, quiz is here. Clear? Subtitle is added between the form. How to add it? Using this third option. Done? Clear. Chalo. Now, image, audio, video, image or video, if you want to add between the form, not in a question, between the form, then you can use this option. If you want to add in a question, how to add?
Hello, sir.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Hello, please repeat, sir.
This one, subtitle one. So adding a subtitle in a form.
No, you please repeat that. How to do that?
This one, how to do is, if you want a segregation between a form, you can add a subtitles from here,
Yeah.
title and description. Third option. So let's say here I want to add a subtitle. I will click over here. I will add. Let's say above this was related to GK. After this is related to automobile, for example. Okay. And I can add a description.
got it.
Then if you will refresh, quiz part, where it is, just hold. Here you can see automobile is there. Okay. Chalo. If you want to add an image in between the form, not in a questionnaire, then you can use this option. This option. If you want to add a video in a form, not in a questionnaire, then you can use this option. Okay. Now, can I upload my file in a video? Answer is no. Only YouTube video or any of the link. The link can be of your drive or a YouTube. Very specific to a YouTube, it will be adding. Nothing apart from YouTube. Only YouTube videos can be embedded in a video part. Right? Done. Last thing, import question. What it means, any form you can select. Let's say GK of India, I will select my previous form. Here, can you see all the questions which I have in a GK of India? It is here. I can go for identify the logo. I want this question. I want this question in my form. Add it. No need to type it again. Added. Done. Ji? Any doubt till now? Any one of you?
So,
Quick
sir,
peek.
can you repeat this, sir, please?
Import
Last
one.
Yeah.
Go to import. What import means? If you have already created any of the form, you want the questions to be imported from there. No need to
Yes.
type. Select the form. Go to select. Here all the questions are there. Let's say this again automobile example I will take. Okay. And I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
import. Both questions
you.
are added.
Yeah, yeah.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Doubt till now, any one of you? Quickly. So I'm recalling the things. What you can do is you can imagine, okay, are you able to correlate with the topics or not? Okay, just try to recall the topics. What I will do, I will note down whatever we did in today's session. Okay, even if I am unable to recall, you can help me. Okay, we will go in a sequence. So our topic is quickly Google
Forms.
Forms. We started with creating a form in a blank type, right? Then we added few questions, sorry, title, description. Just try to recall, okay? We added description. Also, we added hyperlink here, right? We learned about formatting here. What is the shortcut for hyperlink? Quickly.
Control K, L.
K. Control plus K, K for kite. Done. Then we move to the questionnaire. We added few questions related to student detail. Then we move to AI tool name as Bard, written a prompt, India since independence. 10 question, 100 marks with guidelines. This guidelines we added in a description. Questions we added. First type of question was short answer type. MCQ was there. Checkbox was there. What is limitation of checkbox? Quickly. What is the limitation of checkbox?
Partial grading is not
Is
available.
not there. Okay. Then we have drop down. Right. Then we have file upload. What next? What next? Linear scale. Where you can use a grid option. MCQ grid. Checkbox grid. Then we have date and time. Clear?
Yes.
Can we add image in a question?
Yes.
Yes. Can we add image in options?
Yes.
Can we add video in a questions?
Yes.
No.
Only YouTube.
No. Video we will not be able to add in a questions. Okay. Where we can add it in a form. Directly in a form you can place. Is it clear?
Yes.
Just for again example. If you can see where it is. What is the purpose of this image? Nothing. Oh, okay, just hold. I have not shared my screen, right? I will share it. After this, I will share. Okay. Let us skip this for now, for 1 minute only. Okay. Image we did. Import from previous form. Duplicate same question. We did. Right. Adding an image in question options we did. Description of form we did. Response validation have we covered response validation? I will request you all to be on a mute. Have we covered response validation?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, response validation, correct answer, feedback.
Very correct. What is example of response validation? Quickly. That one, scroll well 2022-001, where we have defined a pattern. This comes under response validation. Only 10 characters are allowed. This comes under response validation. Okay. Then feedback of correct or incorrect question. Okay. What else? Anything else which I'm skipping? Subtitles. What else? Done?
Sir, can we expect every day this to end by 8?
No. It will be
Or
by
is it for the
7:30
first
only.
day only?
First day
Yeah.
only, because we have started delayed by 15 minutes. First
Yes,
15 minutes was for the guidelines, PPT and all. Na? That's
Okay,
fine.
okay,
Rest you
okay.
will be having a 7:30 to 7:35 only. We will
Thank you
have-
so much. Okay.
Okay.
That will
It's
be
for today
great.
only.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Anything which I am skipping? Chalo. Just take a snapshot.
Hello,
I will.
hello.
Hanji.
Hello. You mentioned about instead going for that Google form, no? That 9
Shortcut.
dots. We
Shortcut.
can
Form
directly have the form or Excel. Short. What is that? What?
Forms.new.
Repeat
You have to
shortcut.
type.
Form?
Okay. Forms.new. Type it in a Google search, not in a Google search, in your address bar. Automatically it will open a form for you. Okay. So that's it for today. I'm sharing the last thing which we were discussing. Okay. So what is the purpose of this image? Nothing. Just I have added it in a Google form. I'm not asking any of the question. In this way, you can add a video. Okay, video, but you will not be able to add a video in a question. Like here we have added a image in a question. Here you will not be able to embed a video. Only image can be embedded. If you want a video in a Google form like this, you will embed. Okay, what you can see, say here, you can modify this question. See the above video and answer the following questions. You can modify here itself. Like this you can do, but directly in a question you will not be able to do.
How can we add video? I mean, in what option? From which option we can add
This one,
video
this one.
in a form? Okay.
This one.
Okay.
Only YouTube video.
So students will be able to watch it.
Very correct. They can directly watch here only. No need to go to another link. Okay. Chalo ji. That's it for a day. Any suggestion, any feedback, anything? Recording